Hi, I'm Mr. Lamson, and this is Handtool Woodworking. So the main goal for this class is to expose students to different techniques for working with wood, primarily to build pieces of fine furniture. We rely entirely on hand tools. Sort of the idea behind the course is that it is a type of woodworking that you don't find in most places today. It's a much more traditional form of woodworking, and we also nickname it Sloyd. Sloyd is an approach to education where people believe that you can learn a lot about yourself and how to be a good person by working with your hands. So Sloyd in this context means working with our hands to shape wood, and in so doing learn some of the core values that we teach here at FVS.